Welcome to the Collision Career Institute, where we're shaping the future of collision repair professionals. Meet our apprentices, embarking on their journey through the estimator and repair planner skills path. We integrate with the shop's existing customer service processes while focusing on the nuts and bolts of producing a strong quality repair plan that meets the shop's goals for production and profitability. As with each CCI career path, candidates start with Basic Skills Bootcamp to set them up for success on their chosen path. That's why our program focuses not just on technical skills, but also on ensuring the right fit between the apprentice and their trainer. We start with personality and work style assessments to ensure good job fit and the good match for their trainer, where they shadow 6 critical roles and spend at least a week with their trainer, learning some basic skills. There is a go-no-go decision at the end of boot camp before moving forward. Their journey continues with ACR 181, Handling Parts, where they learn the shop's parts handling process from start to finish. Apprentices master the art of identifying parts from diagrams and on damaged vehicles, understanding different part sources, and selecting the right components crucial for each vehicle. In ACR 182, they delve into damage analysis and estimating, going beyond mere data entry. This allows them to write and contribute basic quality estimates on their own inside of 30 to 60 days. They learn to assess damage, formulate repair plans, and ensure every plan leads to vehicles meeting factory specifications. Next, in ACR 183, Enhanced Estimating, apprentices refine their estimates using the latest resources. They leave no stone unturned, ensuring every repair meets industry standards and compliance. In ACR 184, Structural Damage Analysis, apprentices become masters of structural and suspension damage analysis. They diagnose structural misalignments, analyze suspension and steering components, saving valuable time in the repair process. Structural repair plans become part of the vehicle document library and can help resolve different repair strategies to assure the right plan is implemented to reverse any damage. ACR 185, Repair Planning, refines damage discovery and blueprinting skills. They ensure every detail is accounted for, setting the stage for flawless repairs and happy customers. For those aiming higher, there are optional courses like Production Management, DRP Claims Handling, and more. Ready to take your estimating team to the next level? Contact CCI today to learn about our unique skill transfer training for estimators. Join us at CCI and let's help you identify your next repair planner and put them on their path forward.